Hello my dears. So now we are going to discuss about a classification of distribution. So it is also a one word type question, one word type answer you may expect from any of these three. Okay. So first of all we are going to discuss a radial system ideas. Very important. It is actually the schematic diagram is enough for competitive examination point of view. The question will be normally asked. I will explain now. Okay. That only you have to note for this. So radial system means, listen my dear, this is a substation. Suppose it's a 33.11 kV substation, and here it says transformer, distribution transformer of course. That distribution transformer may be distributed to D1, D2, D3. All are distribution points. Now, okay, if any fault occur here, suppose here it is a fault occur here, what happens? Energy will not be carried from this point to another point. That means energy will be low, break here. That the flow of energy will be break here, right? D1, D2, D3, any distributor will not get any energy. So radial system means it is actually employed in rural area, my dears. It is employed in rural area. And there is no backup option for substation and feeder both. So there will not be any backup option for the substation as well as the feeder. Then it is called the radial system. That means if any fault occur here, or any fault, you may expect a fault here also. Any fault occur here or any fault occur here, what happened? The whole system will be breakdown. The whole system will not get energy. This will be a complete shutdown, leads to complete shutdown of the whole system. That is called the radial system. That means one substation, that means the whole distribution is dependent upon only one substation. There is no backup option for the substation because it's only one. There will not be any backup option for feeders also, because the substation can feed a single feeder now. There is no backup option for feeder also. So if a fault occurring near to the substation, then also this whole system will be breakdown. If a fault near to the far end of the substation also, my dear, far end of the substation or distribution here, this distribution side, if any breakage here means there will not be any current flow, the system will be in breakdown. So that is the main disadvantage of what, my dears? The radial system. So radial system is normally employed in rural area. There will not be any backup option for substation as well as feeder. These 2 points only you have to remember. Nothing less, nothing. Is it clear? Next, ring main system. Somewhat advanced system than the radial system. That is called the ring main system. So in ring main system, my dears, listen one thing. In ring main system, again there is a substation level 33/11 kV, but that can be considered to be in the form, it can be formed like a ring, so that here you can use so many transformers so that it can contribute to so many feeders. If you are using transformer means, unless we didn't take any tapping, it can be act as a feeder. So many distributions are there, my dear. So many distributions are there, but that distribution all connected in a ring manner. But they are depending upon the substation. Okay. So if any fault occurring near the substation, my dear, near the substation, suppose any fault occur near the substation, then the whole system will be again lead to dark. It will not any power any distributors. I know that. But if any fault occur here in distribution side, my dear, any fault occur in distribution side, what happened? The power, this means only this fault is there, this fault is not there. Okay, what happened? The energy can flow like this. It can feed D3 as well as D2. Is it clear? If any fault occur here, suppose here it is any fault occur here, the energy can flow like this and it can feed D1 and D2, no issue. That means only the faulty area or the faulty distribution side can be removed. The other distribution can be, the energy can be flow. Is it clear? So we can say that this is actually in suburban area. Suburban area where the energy should be continuously available but not strictly. That is called as the suburban area. And no substation backup is available. Substation backup. But feeder backup is there. Feeder backup is there, my dear. No substation backup, but feeder backup is there in what? Our ring main system. So this is perfectly in rural area. The energy, if there is a long duration of energy breakage or blackout, then also no problem. It's very rural area, na? Hilly area, mountain area, etc. If any pole or any power line fault occur for hours or for days, power will not be available for the consumer side because it's a very rural area. But suburban means even the power breakage will be there only if there is a substation failure. Clear? So substation backup is not there, but there will be feeders backup. If one feeder is lost, then other feeder you can feed it. Via other feeder you can feed the good region or not faulty region you can feed. That is the peculiarity of a ring main system. And next, finally, is interconnected system. The word these words are very, very important, my dear. These headings are very, very important. Interconnected system means it is an advanced system where we can provide the complete backup. Complete backup. That means feeder backup as well as the my dear? Substation backup. Substation backup. Both backup you can expect from this interconnected system. What we are doing here, we are connecting so many substations. That is, we are interconnecting so many substations. That means if any fault occur here near the substation 1, what happened? Nothing will be happen, my dears. This fault, using a circuit breaker, this substation 1 can be removed, or isolator, this substation 1 can be removed. Even if it is removed, substation 3, 4, 3, 2, all are alive. It can feed every distributors. No issues there. No issues there. Or if any problem here, this can be removed and the remaining will be feed every distributor. If any fault occur here, what happened? In feeder side, any fault occur, no problem. That feeder can be removed. The energy will be flow like this, and it meet here, it meet here, it meet here, it meet here, it meet here. The opposite way also it meet D3. Only this portion will be removed. So perfect continuity will be maintained in the interconnected system. So we can say that it's a complete backup is available. It is used in urban region or urban area, because in urban area you can't tolerate even a 5 minute of power failure, right? Because in urban area so many industries are connected, so many malls, so many restaurants, so many cinema theater, etc. Everything is there in urban region. So in urban region the power failure is not at all tolerate. That is why we are using interconnected system in the urban region. Okay, so complete backup is there and we are using it in urban area. So that's all about it, my dears, the classification distribution. I hope it's very clear to you. So only this red letters, just you have to remember this, and the names: ring main, radial and interconnected. So most advanced system, interconnected system. A very least advanced system, radial system. Continuous power failure happens in radial system. The power failure cannot be tolerated in interconnected system. Suburban region, ring main system. Rural region, radial system. So these points you should keep in all the time. That's all. Okay.